Hi there, my name is Cathi Barker from Software Solutions, and you're looking at the last of a collection of videos that go with our Excel Level 2 Functions, Charts and More course. This last video is about the topic of hyperlinks. Hyperlinks is something that you can create in almost all of the Microsoft Office applications, but let's look at it with conjunction to Excel. I'm first of all going to go to the very first sheet in this file, which is called Index. Here are a number of hyperlinks. A hyperlink is blue underlined text, typically, that when you click on it, it threatens to take you somewhere. For example, if I went to D3 and typed a web address, like softwaresolutions.co.nz, because of the www or the HTTP or the HTTPS, it recognizes that it's a URL, and it recognizes that if you clicked it, you would be taken to a particular website. And so it's taken you to our website. Let me close that. If I don't want it to go to the website, I can right-click the hyperlink and I can remove the hyperlink, which just leaves me with the text. If I do an email address, the @ symbol is what triggers the hyperlink. Again, blue underlined text that if I click it, it opens up a new email, and here it is here, ready to be sent. So I close that, save no, and if I want to get rid of the hyperlink, again right click and remove the hyperlink. So you can remove them. You can also edit them. So if I go undo and right click, I can edit the hyperlink, and instead of saying the email address, I can say click here to email me, which will still send an email to this email address. And I can put a subject, need help with Excel 2 file, and OK. So click here to email me. When I rest on it, there it says need help with Excel 2 file. When I click it, it opens up a new mail message. There it is there, with the subject automatically filled in and addressed to me. And I'll close. So you can remove, you can edit, and some hyperlinks are automatic, like web addresses and email addresses. But you can also use hyperlinks to do other things. Let's say I click on referencing. The referencing hyperlink takes me to this sheet. But let's say I need to create a hyperlink that then takes me back to the index. And I'd like it to sit maybe in H2. So I right-click H2 and I choose link. You can press Ctrl-K, that's the shortcut key to create a hyperlink. You can also go to Insert and choose Link to create a hyperlink. So I'll choose Link and this window comes up. A hyperlink can be designed to go to an existing file or web page. It can go to a place in this document, or it can send an email. Existing file or web page, you simply choose the file you want to jump to, or you simply put the address of the website you want to go to. So that's pretty straightforward. I want to go to a place in this document, and the place I want to go is the sheet called Index. I want to go to the sheet called Index. I want to go to the cell A1, and the text to display is click to return to the index. When I click OK, I've created a hyperlink that will click. If they click, they will return to the index. I'm going to right click and just take a copy of it. So when I click it to test it, it goes back to the index. When I click statistical, I can then turn around and right click and paste it into this sheet. And when I click it, it returns to the index. If I was to go to first if, I can right click and paste it and click it to return the index. So you can take a copy of it and paste it wherever you would like to be able to go back to the index. Now, hyperlink doesn't only have to be text. It could be a button or a picture, any sort of object. I'm going to insert, say, a shape, and I might go for this shape because it's very buttonesque. So I'll choose this and I'll click here and I'll drag. I can change the color of my button to whatever I like, and I can say click here for support. I can then resize the button, and I can right click the button and I can go into link. So a button can be made to perform like a hyperlink. I can tell it whenever they click this button that I want to send an email. The email is to go to Cathi cathi@softwaresolutions.co.nz. The subject is to be Excel 2 support required. And the screen tip is, please click this button to send an email to Cathi. And OK again. And so when I rest on it, it says, please click this button to send an email to Cathi. And when you do click it, it brings up a new email with Excel 2 support required, automatically addressed to me, and you just type your message. And if I close that, save no. So that's creating hyperlinks. I do hope you've enjoyed this course. I've had fun creating this course, writing the material, creating the exercises. Please like and subscribe. I'd love you to join me on some other courses. The final chapter in your notes, of course, is every single shortcut key I could possibly find in Excel if you want to go shortcut crazy, which I highly endorse. If you need any help, just get in touch with me, Cathi@softwaresolutions.co.nz. Thank you, and like and subscribe. Catch you soon. Ka kite.